Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I am doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing slash mini haul. It's not really a mini haul, you guys, because I only purchased one other item on top of the Louis Vuitton item, but I still wanted to show it in this video because not that many people talk about it on YouTube, and I haven't seen too many videos about it on YouTube, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this intro short, simple, and sweet. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to leave a comment section down below, you're more than welcome to. The first thing that I'm going to be talking about in this video is my lip combination. I'm going to try to breeze through it because I get a bunch of questions from people asking what I wear on my lips. I am a person of habit. I have probably 3 lip liners that are dear to my heart, and those are the things that I consistently wear day to day. So what I'm wearing currently is my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 2 Medium Lip Liner. This is, in my opinion, my least favorite of my favorite lip liners. I think it looks nice. It looks okay. I have better lip liners and I'll show them in a second, but this is what I'm wearing right now, and I have it mixed with MAC Velvet Teddy Matte lipstick. This is also, you know, a fan favorite of mine. This and Cream Cup are perfect if you are my skin tone, you like lip lining with a darker color and having something more maybe pinky, nudie. Velvet Teddy and Cream Cup, in my opinion, are beautiful colors. The next 2 that I'm usually wearing in a video, it's gonna be Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 and Warm Brown. This is an amazing color. I sometimes just wear it by itself, or I just line my lips and then put chapstick on top because I think it's a beautiful color by itself. And then my number 1 lip liner that you probably see in 80% of my videos is MAC Soar. So yeah, that was my lip combo. Moving on to the first thing that I purchased, which was a very impulsive purchase, but the reason I did it was because I've never been in a store that had a display of this item, and it is a perfume. I already opened it, you guys, because I smelt it, and not that I smelt it before I purchased it, but I wanted to use it and spray it, and it was the Montale Paris. It's a Montale Paris perfume. This is how it comes in a little package like this. You can pull it out, and this is what the bottle looks like. It has a little stopper here with a charm, and it's just beautiful. I think if you follow me for a while, especially for perfumes, you know that I love stuff that's maybe a little bit darker. It may be sweet, but it's still lingering on the darker side of the spectrum. And I think there was Rose Musk Intense, and it was between that and this scent, and I sprayed them together. Amazing combination, but I was not in the park. I was not in the place to spend $300 on perfumes because I have so many already. But the reason I chose this one, even though it was a hard competition between this and the Rose Intense one, was that this smells by itself a little bit better, and also this mixed with other scents, it does something to me and for me. And so I don't know if you have this where you're from, but if you do, I would highly recommend trying out this brand if you're looking for a nice perfume. It is a little bit more on the pricier side, but I still think for 100 milliliters, I think it's $170 in the United States. I don't think that's horrible. I think it's expensive, but I think for what you're getting, it's long lasting, it's unique, it's different, and I don't know. It's nice. I enjoy it. I have it. I'm keeping it. I've sprayed it, so I can't give it back. I opened the package, can't give it back, and I really like it. So now, getting into what you came here for. I'm not going to give you the backstory until after I unbox it because y'all complain and have the attention spans of goldfish. So if you are interested in hearing the backstory, how I got this bag, because I sort of had to have a little fight, a little duel with another customer, you guys, then you can stick around to after the unboxing. I'm wearing this jacket to give you guys a hint of what color the item is. It doesn't match. This is a very different pink, but the item is pink. And so this is my Louis Vuitton bag. Was this an impulsive purchase? Yes, but I think when you see it, you'll understand why. I got the number 16 book. I went through here and it has some of the Kusuma, I don't know what there's in here, y'all. It has a lot of the Kusama Galaxy. Like there's a few pages dedicated to this collection. Like I said, I'm not that huge of a fan of this collection, but as always, I love these books. I think they're amazing. The next thing, oh, I got a whole bunch of samples, you guys. Let me take out the box because it is extremely heavy, which means it's not a canvas piece usually. If something's very heavy from Louis Vuitton, it's not going to be canvas. And so I got a whole bunch of perfume samples in there, you guys. I think there's like, I don't know how many, but there's a bunch. So this is the item, beautifully packed. I'm wondering if you guys can guess what it is. Can you guess what it is? I know that people hate when like people on YouTube are like, can you guess what it is? Let me know in the comment section. Y'all are gonna see it in 10 seconds. Well, maybe not. It takes me a long time to unbox this. I don't know if I should untie it. If I should. I hate untying them. And open it up. This is what it looks. Can y'all guess? I'm pretty sure you can guess what it is. You take it out like this, and oh, the box. I'm gonna put the box down, you guys. This is what it looks like. Can you guys assume what it is? It is the Louis Vuitton Coussin PM in the rose bonbon color with the duo tone chain, which I am looking to see where it's at. Yes. Oh, the little chain comes with its own little dust bag. That is pretty freaking cute. Here is the duo tone. Oh, this is such a beautiful freaking chain, you guys. Duo tone chain. And let me put it on the bag so you can see it in all its glory. And it also came with a Louis Vuitton canvas strap. I will get more into this strap later on in the video because, as you guys know, I'm not the biggest fan of canvas straps, but this is what the bag looks like with the chain. And I don't know what really to say about this bag because, like I said, this was sort of an impulsive purchase. I went in to the Louis Vuitton store, y'all. I don't know why I keep going to the other Louis Vuitton store that's in my city because I hate going there, but I went in there looking for a particular bag. I wanted to see the Capucines Mini and the pistachio color that they have. I also wanted to see the white Capucines or light rose or light pink Capucines with the milk. It's from the Milky Way or Galaxy collection that they just put out with this rainbow pastel color. So I walked around a little bit longer. I had a doctor's appointment, then went to the doctor's appointment. I decided to go to my store that I know and love. I should just stick to that store, I know, but I enjoy the other store because it's so much prettier to go inside and to see everything on display. They have clothing, they have ready to wear, they have shoes, they have all the accessories, they have home stuff. And in my store, they do have some of that stuff, but it's scaled down tremendously. And so I asked them at the big store if they had this bag, and they did not. They had the, I think, yellow acid green or whatever it's called. I said, okay, no big deal. And I really liked the Capucines Mini from the Galaxy collection, but the enamel threw me a little off. And I think also maybe the chain, or I may be thinking of the Coussin, the chain for that as well had that pastel-y, like for this part of the chain, it had the pastel-y enamel intertwined through it, and I wasn't the biggest fan. I went in, I think, 1 hour before it closed, maybe 30 minutes. I don't remember. It was probably 1 hour, I'm gonna say, but it could have been a little bit less than that. And I wasn't really paying attention to the people that were going in front of me, but there were a few people that went inside the store before me, and I didn't recognize any of the sales associates, nor did I text any of the sales associates that I know that I was coming in. I just came in hoping to just look around the last hour, trying to kill time. And there was a couple, and they were in front of me waiting at the perfume section for a sales associate, but I just went to go sit at a chair to see if I would notice someone, just because I wanted to try on bags. And I saw this bag, and it was in front of the perfume section up high. And my sales associate, or one of the sales associates from Louis Vuitton that I know, she saw me and she was like, "Oh my gosh, you're here. You didn't text. I told you here, I gave you my card, and I told you if you needed to come in here and you wanted something to just text me and you don't have to wait here." And she was apologizing, and I'm like, "No big deal. I'm here to kill time." And I said, "But can I please," like, she asked me, "What do I want?" And I said, "That croissant." And she was like, "Oh yeah, girl, no problem." And so she brought it down. I just wanted to look at it. They had the blue in store as well, which is also an amazing, beautiful color. But I have my Capucines, which is very similar. And I said, I can't buy two bags that are almost identical in color. And I tried it on. So the people that were waiting at the perfume section that I thought technically were waiting for a perfume were also waiting for this bag. And then they had a sales associate that came up to them and they said, or asked them what they were looking for. And the lady said, "I'm looking for the pink bag," while I was trying it on. And she was like, "Can you just tell me if you're gonna get it or not?" And I was like, and I'm looking at her and I'm like, "The blue." And the guy also said, "Well, the blue." And I think she said, "Let me just try on the blue because I like this size." And so then she came over to me and she was like, "Looking, do you want the blue?" And I'm like, "I don't want that blue. I have a bag already in that color." I was nice, but I could tell she was a little upset that I got it before her. And I don't know if I skipped her or not, but I feel sort of a little bad. Like I say, if I have a bag and I see a color that I really love, then I'm most likely 9 times out of 10 gonna go for it. And so I purchased it, and I realized that when I was leaving the store, I think they waited outside the store seeing if I would purchase this bag. And I did. I know it's probably going to be the death of me. It's going to be a pain in my butt to keep this beautiful, to keep this clean, to keep this pristine. But at the end of the day, it's a work of art. I also, another thing that made me want to buy this freaking bag so much was this chain. I don't mind the canvas strap too much. Someone was recommending that I sell it and try to recoup a little money from this bag with this strap. I'm going to keep the strap because at the end of the day, maybe one day I will want to wear it with this, but I do see myself wearing it as a shoulder bag like this with the metal chains. I think I'm also going to use this chain for other bags in my Louis Vuitton collection. I was thinking I could actually, let me see if I can do that. Hold on, you guys. For my Neo Noe. Hold on. If that looks good, y'all can't tell me nothing. Hold on. I don't like it with this. I thought, maybe I was going to do something like, oh, it's really cool, really cute, but I'm not in love with that look. I think maybe with my favorite, I don't have my favorite right now. I think my favorite with this strap would be better. This doesn't look good though. Maybe I just buy that dang Amazon strap because I really like the Neo Noe with a top handle, not with the crossbody strap. I'm happy that it has that ability, but I love having the top handle, but it was a fail. I tried. It was a fail though. I'm going to put this back in its dust bag though, put it back in the purse, and yeah. This bag, you guys are probably wondering how much it cost, all that good stuff, and I will tell you in a second. Let me put everything up. I don't think I have my receipt with me, you guys, but I know it off the top of my head because I just purchased it. This bag was 3,900 euros. I technically do get tax back for this purchase, and I'm getting 500 euros back. So I paid around 3,400 euros, which is about 3,000, I think, $500 if I'm not mistaken for this bag, which is a lot of money, but in the United States and Florida I think it's 5,300 where I'm from, if I'm not mistaken. And so I did save a pretty penny on this bag getting the VAT refund and buying it in Europe, so I'm not really upset too much. If I would have paid, do I think I would have paid 5,000 something for this bag? Probably not. But 3,000 in my opinion, 3,500, even though it is high, it is still worth it to me. My first ever piece in lambskin from Louis Vuitton. I think it's a beautiful color. I love pink. It's one of my favorite colors. These types of Barbie pinks are one of my favorite colors in the world. If you watch my channel, then you probably know that with my Neo Noe, with my Neverfull, with the Longchamp bags that I even just purchased, those tiny little things. I love the color pink. I think it's amazing. And I'm excited to see how this bag is going to wear and tear. It was a strong competition between this bag and the On The Go PM. I tried it on in store as well. They finally had it in stock in store, not to purchase, but for you to try it on, do all of the things, and not just be on display. Because I remember I went into the store last time a few months ago and they were like, oh no, it's just for display. And I'm like, y'all won't let me touch the bag? And they really would not let me touch the bag. And I was like, And also online, it's no longer on this 4 to 6 week delivery time wait list where it would take 2 to 4 weeks, 2 to 6 weeks for the bag to be delivered to me. It is now being delivered in maybe 3 days. And so with that information, when I found that out, I was like, oh, well, technically, when it comes to Cousin bags, when it comes to fun leather, when it comes to fun colors at Louis Vuitton, and also any brand out there, you never know how limited they are. You never know when they're going to be discontinued. You never know when they're going to be out of stock. You never know if they're going to come back in stock. And it's better if you really have your eye on something that is a fun color that you know you will love to just pick it up. I'm also one of those people, I technically don't like returning items, but I'm one of those people where something can sit in its box for a week or 2 weeks, and if I don't wear it, I will not wear it during that time frame. And I realize that I do not like it, I will return it. But 9 times out of 10, I know that I'm going to keep everything that I purchase. And so if I change my mind, I might get the On The Go PM. It's one of my dream bags, but when I saw this, I was like, oh, sorry, On The Go. We shall see what happens, but I'm pretty sure this is my last purchase right now because I'm leaving Europe and I don't have any space, literally no space at all in my carry-on, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of these bags. I don't know how I'm gonna transport them. It's gonna be difficult. And so yeah, with that being said, that's everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is the bag one last time. Beautiful, wonderful, amazing, love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that she's home with me. I'm sorry to the lady that I basically, I'm sorry to the, oh, it has a sticker on. That's why it looks so yellow. I was wondering, but it's a sticker. That's, oh, that makes sense. Y'all, I honestly thought there was this brighter yellow gold on the bag, but it was actually just a little sticker. I was so excited about it being multi-tone. Oh, that makes sense. Now it all matches. Okay. Ooh. But what was I gonna say? Beautiful bag. I think that's where I was at. And I'm gonna go put it in my closet and try my best to organize my carry-on to fit all of these items in it while I'm traveling, which is gonna be horrible. So yeah, like I said, also feel bad about the lady that I took it from. I hope that she finds it. I don't know where she was from. I do feel bad, but at the end of the day, this is also why I tell you guys to have an SA, someone that you know in the store, someone that you are close with, because they can help you in these sticky predicaments, and they can help, like, benefit, it can benefit you in the long run if buying purses is your thing. If you don't mind, you don't care about purses, you don't want to spend money on these things, then don't worry about an SA. But if this is like your passion and what brings you joy, please look into finding someone that is your, I don't know, buddy in the shopping world. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day. Let me know if you like the bag, if you don't like the bag, if you have any wear and tear experience. And yeah, with that being said, love y'all. Have a wonderful day and bye.